Hi, my name is Summer Poirier. I'm the Collision Center Manager at Maher Chevrolet here in St. Petersburg, Florida. We have been partnered up with asTech for about a year now. The aftermarket tools that we were originally using were not meeting those expectations, and we pride ourselves off of quality and OEM repaired collision services. And so finding asTech has fulfilled those needs and those requirements. The first solution that we adopted here at Maher Chevrolet was the all-in-one scan tool. We started with the pre and post scans and the dynamic calibrations. As we started moving forward with those, we adopted the TruePoint equipment, and that has been a great addition to the team.
My name's Logan Berryman, and I've worked at Maher Chevrolet for 2 years now. I am the glass man, I do interior work, and all of the calibrations that need to be done from the body shop. Getting the job done correctly with asTech is very important because you are sending somebody's car back out into the world where they have kids, family members, and you want to be able to go to bed at night knowing that the car is safe for them to leave in, because anything can go wrong and you want to make sure everything's properly installed so they get home back to their family safely. Since using asTech, the day-to-day operations have been going a lot smoother. Working with the remote technicians, it's easy, it's simple. You just put your phone number in. They can either text or call you, and if you have any questions or concerns, they're there to answer you. And it's quick. It takes about 15 minutes, and they're on the phone with you, and you have cars in and out. The TruePoint, when it first got here, I was a little nervous to work with it, but after training on for a week, it's very simple. It's step-by-step, what you need to do, how it needs to go, where the targets go, where the parking sensors go. asTech absolutely provides that safety to make sure the cars are getting done properly and taken care of properly.
Incorporating asTech into our SOPs here at Maher Chevrolet has been very easy. Workflow and procedures are mandatory in any type of collision or automotive industry, and us already having those workflows in place, asTech has just been a helping hand with that. Once the calibrations are ready, I then am able to just hand off the keys to Logan. He's able to pull up the repair order from the asTech Think Report already in the system, and it shows him exactly what we've done since it's being updated throughout the repair process with us. And then he's able to take the keys in the vehicle and move forward with the calibrations without hesitating on asking us any type of questions. It's already there laid out for him through asTech.
Once I get done with it, she gets an email sent to her that the calibrations get completed. It goes to cleanup. She calls the customer. Car goes home. It's a lot cleaner. There's no calling, worrying about what's getting done. It's all in one.